I raise my voice from this platform, that is Million Conference. I reply and make it clear, we are Muslim, we are slaves of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Holy Prophet lives in our hearts. We believe in nobility of whole messengers of Allah. We tolerate everything. We tolerate death, but we never tolerate insult of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We never tolerate insult of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and blasphemy cartoons. We never tolerate these things. If this is their freedom speech and freedom expression, if this blasphemy activities continues from them, I announce that killing of them will always continue from lovers of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. मुल्क के हुक्मरानों, यूनाइटेड नेशन, यूरोपीय यूनियन, ये गुलामान रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम चैलेंज कर रहे हैं, वाज़े कर रहे हैं और पाकिस्तान की तौहीन मीनार पाकिस्तान पर ऐलान कर रहे हैं, हम सब कुछ बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं मगर तौहीन रिसालत कभी भी बर्दाश्त तौहीन रिसालत कभी भी बर्दाश्त
Always listen to me. Yours freedom of speech and yours freedom of expression means terrorism. Your freedom of speech means insult of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Holy Quran and Holy Islam. Listen to me always. I am keeping your freedom of speech under my foot and condemn your freedom of speech and freedom of expression because we are not your slaves. We are slaves of Muhammad.
لبيك لبيك يا رسول الله لبيك 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 لبيك
लिहाजा
Ghazi Mumtaz Hussain Qadri, who was shining in the faces of 6 million Muslims in Liaquat Bagh and its surroundings. And in these days, Ghazi Mumtaz Hussain Qadri is seeing between billions of Muslims, their hearts, their faces, and their thoughts. They are witness about Ghazi Mumtaz Hussain Qadri Shaheed Quddus Sirrul Aziz. Today, under the shade of his dome, I say, we are devotee of Mumtaz Hussain Qadri. Oh America, we are supporter of Mumtaz Hussain Qadri. Oh Trump, this Mumtaz Qadri is our hero, and his shrine is in these days shining like sun. Nawaz Sharif, oh Sardari, oh Imran Khan, listen to my words. Now the vote is for Mumtaz Hussain Qadri. Now the authority is Mumtaz Hussain Qadri, and now the ruler is Mumtaz Hussain Qadri.
In Sahih Bukhari, book of medicine, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, and hadith that is reported by Sayyidina Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and narrated by Imam Bukhari. Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, La adwa, there is no any disease which transfers from sick to healthy. La adwa. فقال أعرابي يا رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فما بال إبلي تكون في الرمل كأنها الزباء like deer. فيأتي البعير الأجرب comes the mangy camel فيدخل بينها mixes between healthy camels, mixes among them. فيجربها, mangy camel when entered in my healthy camel got infected. We believe in this tradition. There is no contagious disease. In these days, many people in world, they are suffering from coronavirus. And there is a debate between scholars and doctors. Medical science says the corona is contagious disease. But in Islamic studies and Islamic creeds, there is no contagious disease. And this concept that one illness transfers from sick to healthy, this concept was ignorance before Islam. In Islam, condemned this concept and delivered this faith and creed, La adwa, there is no contagious disease. When Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam was preaching this concept, then a companion of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised a question about it, and this question was about his observation. So that he said, what is about the camels? My camels are healthy on sand. They are not mangy. When one mangy camel comes and mixes with my healthy camels, in the result, my healthy camels get infected by the mang. In this question, he was presenting the concept of contagious disease. Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam condemned this concept, said, Faman a'adal awwal, what inflicted first one? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Iza sami'atum bihi bi ardin fala taqdamu alayh. This conversation is about plague, a disease which medical science has declared as a contagious disease. But Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam condemned this concept. إذا سمعتم به بأرض فلا تقدموا عليه. When you listen that plague breaks out in a land, you not go there. Do not enter their city and do not go to that land. وإذا وقع بأرض وأنتم بها. And when the plague breaks out in the land, you are there, and in the city you are in house, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered, فَلَا تَخْرُجُوا فِرَارًا مِّنْهُ. Do not go out from that city, from that land, also from that house, فِرَارًا مِّنْهُ. Escaping from the plague, escaping from that disease. It is not permission for you. You remain in that city because there is no contagious disease. The illness will come by the permission of Allah and His will, and faith will demolish by going there, because a slight mistake in faith ruins everything. It is also for belief and faith and his cure.